हमारा साथ वाला मुल्क है तो हम छेड़छाड़ करता ही रहता है। अब देखो, जिस दिन मैं होम मिनिस्टर को मिलने गया था,
where Captain Amrinder Singh has now been saying that the number of weapons that have been smuggled into the state of Punjab has increased ever since the farmer protest began around 2 months ago. The claim that is now being made by the Punjab Chief Minister on where the day when the observance of a hunger strike will be made by the agitating farmer unions. He's also been claiming that it is for once and for all that the government should take a step back and should repeal the farm laws. But first up, let's listen in to this controversial claim that has been made by the Punjab Chief Minister.
I went during this period to see the Home Minister, not this period, but before this, when everybody started making a big noise of I've been to see around the farmer struggle. I went to discuss this issue which is taking place because since the farmer struggle started in October, the number of weaponry that's coming into Punjab has trebled. It's drones that are bringing it in. And that was what was concerning me. Because those drones, when they bring weapons, they're meant for something. They're not sent as a present here. They are meant for, we made capture 30 drones, but there are many 20 or 30 that get past us to their objectives, wherever they are. And that is what was concerning me. So that is what I went to discuss with the Home Minister then. And I'm sure they're have taken note of it, and they will be doing something.
We have Amandeep with us, joining us on the phone line this morning for a quick update, because Amandeep, we've seen time and again that Captain Amrinder Singh in a way is asking all the farmer unions there to approach the national capital and to block the borders. But right now, very controversial claim that has been made by him, saying that there has been smuggling of weapons that has been taking place, and especially in the last 2 months, weapons that are incoming via drones, that is what he's claiming, has doubled. What exactly is the basis of this claim that he's making?
Exactly, Amita. Let me tell you, on November 26th, the farmers started from the side of Punjab towards the Delhi border. And in fact, that was the day when the Khalistani, pro-Khalistani and even the Pakistan got an opportunity to escalate this protest to just resolve their own agenda. So in fact, Captain Amrinder Singh, being the Chief Minister, having all the intelligence inputs, but despite knowing all these things, he was not able to deny the farmers' agitation just because he was supported it from the very first day. And in fact, he has enhanced the security and on the international border to halt the practice of the weapon and drug smuggling through drones and other modus operandi also. But in fact, when this 26th January incident happened, so the entire conspiracy exposed, and that is why Captain Amrinder Singh saying that this Kisan leaders should approach the Delhi police to expose each and everything. They should identify the people, whosoever, the Kisan leader, whosoever is sitting there for the farmers' agitation, and in fact, whosoever is there with the Khalistani agenda, just because they made so many attempts. Amita, they made so many attempts by flashing their flags,
right,
putting out their posters, and in fact putting out their books also inside the Singhu border. So they have their own agenda, but the point is now it's the time to identify those faces and put them behind the bars, and in fact they are the responsible for this entire incident. Yes, Amita.
All right, thanks very much, Amandeep, for joining us, where the farmers are still refusing to budge, even are now appealing to the other farmer unions to come and join them and continue blocking the Delhi borders that we have seen over the last 2 months. But what happened on the occasion of Republic Day was something which is unacceptable and cannot be tolerated at any cost. The violence that was seen on the streets of the national capital, and now it seems one political party after the other who are coming out and supporting the farmer union leaders, especially when it comes to Rakesh Tikait.